Racing just started. We have Conquista Boy break weekly restart El Indio Aloha, and on the outside Calypso perfect pass. Then comes Fork Chanzan Dior Madera, while Storm is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. We have Aloha, El Indio is on the outside, Calypso is racing in third, perfect pass is Fork, Conquista Boy comes next, Chanzan Dior Madera, while Storm is still racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have El Indio by about a length, and in second is Aloha, coming closer now in third is Calypso, Conquista Boy, perfect pass as they swing for home. We have El Indio by about a head, and that on the inside now is Calypso. Last 100 meters, we have El Indio, that on the inside now is Calypso. We have Calypso, El Indio, and finally Calypso, El Indio, Conquista Boy. Then comes Aloha Spark.
Aha. The second choice na sa ating bentahan, si Calypso.
Pati sa take